In this video, I'm going to show you how to Squad Buster redeem codes. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Squad Busters. Now in this section, go ahead and head over to the shop section. Now on the shop section, go ahead and scroll right or click on the resources button to get redirected to the code redeeming section. So as you can see in here, I've just claimed a free reward for today that I received from Squad Busters. So just go ahead and scroll right and you'll be able to find this content creator boost enter code button. So just go ahead and enter the redeem code that you want to redeem on the platform in this area. So once you enter the redeem code or the creator code in this area, that creator will gain a few points or coins once you buy things on the shop. So this will allow you to low-key support the creators that you want to support on Squad Busters, while the both of you gains from your in-app purchases. And that's how you can simply redeem codes in Squad Busters. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.